So welcome everyone to Brill Manager. We'll be learning about keyboard shortcuts in Excel. I have specifically chosen some of the important shortcuts out of the many. These will be really handy in your day-to-day work. Moving quickly to the navigation shortcuts that you'll be using in your huge data sets that you'll be working. First of all, whenever you are working on a huge data set, you will be required to move back and forth to the top left corner or the bottom right corner. So here are the shortcuts. Control plus home takes you to the top left corner. Another shortcut like control plus end takes you to the bottom right corner of the table. Similarly, if you want to if you are in a particular cell and if you want to move to the topmost cell, control plus ups takes you to the topmost cell. Similarly, if you want to go to the bottommost cell, control plus down. Similarly, control plus left and right takes you to the leftmost and the rightmost cell of the particular row. This allows you to move very fast in a table where you have hundreds of data. Here it is a very small data and it looks easy to click instead of more using the keyboard shortcuts. But if you are working with thousands of data, it's very handy to use control left, control up, and control home. Now if we use page up and page down buttons, this allows us to switch to various screens. Page up takes you to the top, page down scrolls the screen automatically to the part which is not visible. Let's say 23 is visible, we are not able to see the 24th cell, 24th record. Page down allows you to scroll down easily with just one button. Similarly, if you combine page up and page down with alt, this works as a page right and page left button. Page up takes you to the left, and alt page down takes you to the right. So it's like a scrolling without using a mouse. Now control plus page up and page down is very useful because you'll be working with across many sheets, and this will allow you to switch sheets. Now I'm in a cover, I'll press control plus page down. This will take me to the navigation sheet. So control plus page down again moves to the next sheet, and control plus page up takes to the previous sheet. Now moving to the data cleaning set, we'll use the shortcuts as and when required. Control plus page down. Here we go to the next sheet. Shift plus space selects the entire row. Now you can do a variety of things. You can copy it, paste it, delete it, whatever you want. Sometimes you need to select the entire record, but you don't know till where you have to select. It's very easy. If you have if you have your highlighter in any of the cell and that particular row has to be selected, you can press shift plus space. That does your job. You can copy it, paste it at the end if you want. You can also repeat it, and control plus minus helps you delete that row and shifts the entire table one cell up. Similarly, if you want to select a column, control plus space does that job. If you can copy it, paste it, and here in this case we'll use control plus minus. This will delete the column and it will shift the remaining part of the table to the right. So if you want to select the entire data, let's say before deleting, if you want to select the entire data like this, it's very easy to select in this mouse because it's a small table. But in case it spans across a huge uh, hundreds of records, then it's very easy to select control A. It selects your table where it ends. It does not select the rest part of this vacant Excel sheet. It selects only the relevant part. Now if you want to edit any particular cell, let's say I want to change this number, but it's very easy to double click and change it, right? I'll make it 450. It's very easy. But if you want to use keyboard shortcuts, it is F2 that keeps the cursor to the rightmost character. This will help you change the numbers very easily. If you want to change automotive, F2, change it to food, oh sorry, F2, and Control A. So full. So this is the way you'll be editing. If you want to make some minor changes, F2 works really fast for you. Moving to data formatting. Now here's a bit of calculations we'll be doing. So here is a profit, which is equals to units sold into price minus cost. Now it will work perfectly fine. 28,560. Now there's a shortcut you can use, drag and drop here, but there's a shortcut to this. If you are working on huge data set, it's very difficult to keep on scrolling this data and you don't know when to end it. But since the Excel is very smart enough, and you just have to keep the highlighter on the corner where you see that dark plus sign, just double click it and it will autofill. And the same formula goes up till this row only, because it is relevant. You don't have to scroll. Wherever you have the last record, it copies the formula to that particular adjacent cell only. Now we'll quickly do some calculations here. Profits, let's say we'll take 10% of it. Again, we'll be double clicking it. Net profit is equals to profit minus tax. Again, double click. Profit margin is equal to net profit divided by cost per unit. Cost per unit into insert, right? So here is the profit margin. Now we'll use currency and percentage formatting of this table by using shortcuts. Now unit price has to be in currency format, so we'll select Control plus space, select the column. Now we'll press Control Shift plus $sign. This converts it into the currency. It's a very quick method to change the. Oops, I have forgotten to select the yes. Now it's done. Net profit, again, very quick. Now if you want to change this into the percentage format, Control Shift plus percentage symbol. Wow, it's so fast and quick. You don't have to select currency formatting. It's just in your two fingers. So this is the quick review. We have learned about navigation shortcuts, data cleaning like Control space, Shift space, Control A, F2, and Control Shift plus $, Shift plus percentage to apply currency and percentage format. So I hope this will help you in your day-to-day life. It will be very handy in your work. And if you find any more shortcuts that are more useful, please do comment in the comment below. I'll be making a video in a more detailed manner very soon. Thank you so much for watching.